How you doing, guys? And welcome back to another day here in South Florida. And today we're going off to the winter boat parade that I got invited by Tracy. Thank you, Tracy, to go on their boat, but they had some mechanical problems, so we could, she couldn't take out their boat, so decided to go ahead and go on my own boat and meet up with some friends out there. So it should be fun, and you guys are coming along for the ride. And can you believe it? It's Saturday. The ramp is empty. I guess everybody stayed home or watched the game, but not us.
If you guys want to help the channel, all you have to do is like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notifications and share the videos with all your friends.
So you know how it is, we have to get some sea air, right? Yeah, you don't like being on the camera, right? You don't like being on the camera. So we're heading over to Lauderdale from Halover. So the ride is about 45 minutes. Hopefully we make it in time. So I know they close the channel at the inlet once the parade starts. So crossing my fingers because we're running kind of late. Hopefully we make it. So if you guys are like me and don't like the cold water, this is what you do in winter in Florida. You actually cruise the Intercoastal and check out the beautiful houses on the water, and you daydream. You say, please let me win the lotto so I can buy something here, or just work really hard, and then you'll get it someday. But yeah, this is winter boating, channel cruising, Intercoastal cruising, boat cruising. By the way, guys, thank you everyone. We're hoping we reach the 200,000 mark. Thank you. It's been good. So far so good. I know YouTube is getting stricter, as you guys noticed. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I got another email from YouTube. One of the videos got restricted, but I don't know. Just gotta keep going forward and hope for the best. So, thanks to everybody for subscribing to the channel. Thank you. Glad you guys like the content. It's entertaining. It's fun for us to do it too. Thank you.
And as you can see, the afternoon is turning out to be great. You can't ask for any better weather. It's actually kind of chilly, so that made the ride even more comfortable. And we also get to see all the beautiful skyline in Broward County and all the boats. you guys are familiar with the area and you see those big cranes, yep, we have reached the Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale. And also you notice we get to see a beautiful sunset.
This is the hard part, trying to catch anchor here. And the problem is there's a lot of mud in the channel here, so it gets pretty tricky. Luckily today it ain't that much wind. If not, it would have been even harder.
And also the current wasn't that strong either, so it made it easier to bump up to each other. Because I remember last year it was windy and a lot of current, so it took us like at least good 20 to 25 minutes to find a good position and to anchor correctly without bothering other boaters. And remember, you could park anywhere just as long as you stayed outside the channel. And don't worry, when you hear that, it's not a gunshots, it's actual fireworks to let everybody know the parade is gonna start.
A lot of boats out here tonight to enjoy the show. And we got a really pretty good spot because right there is the channel. So we got a pretty good view tonight. We got lucky.
We want to say hello to the Von Out. We love it right now. The Von Out family. Andrew and Tanya Heller. Where's Andrew and Tanya Heller? Give us a yell. We see you. Look at that right there. That's a party. If you're on a boat right now, we want to hear you blast that horn. Blast that horn. It's good to be in Florida. Look at this right here. Guys, wave at your hands. Come on. Our boat better party right now. Hey, Brett, we got Cheryl Mayer. Where's Cheryl Mayer and Blaine? Where's Cheryl and Blaine? Blaine, come on. We need to wish you a Merry Christmas. We're waiting for you guys.
It's dinner time at the winter boat parade, and guess what time is it? What time is it?
Chow chow time.
Nice, sausage time. Sausage and chuleta in Fort Lauderdale. And we got Master Chef. All right, guys, so the parade is really, you know, it's nice to see the boats get decorated and come by. But basically everybody just an excuse to hang out with their friends and have a good time like we're doing right now. And then we're waiting for another boat to come by to hook up. But that's basically what it is. It's just an excuse to be on the boat, you know, and have some fun. So this is like a dinner in the water, you know. That actually I'm kind of glad that Master Chef Dewey came. So like that I don't have to cook. He's cooking the sausages.
water. They shot more here. You got this, you got lobster, you got...
Yeah. Wow, well, he came equipped.
There's another creative money.
Look at this. Hey, put this that fish bra. Go ahead, put that fish bra on. Yeah.
None of it died already.
No, I think they're dead now.
No, it shouldn't be.
No, they're dead.
I had them on ice.
Oh, one of them is...
No, I see they're like moving.
They're moving a little bit.
Yeah. You just can't put them on ice.
Put them on. Oh, you can?
Oh, put on ice or cook, but it's I'm gonna cook. They're fresh now. It's alive. I see the legs moving.
Yeah. Always represent.
And finally, the rest of the crew made it.
Crack, crack, set the pot. Whoa, yes, girl.
Let me see what you're eating, boy.
The crab meat. Look.
What is it? What is it?
Perfectly from inside the shell.
You know, half a lobster. So what are you, grouper? Yeah, grouper eat lobster.
Goliath.
A what?
Goliath.
A what?
A Goliath.
Oh, a Goliath. Oh, I got you.
Alright, so the boat parade is over, but we don't want to go home. So it's time to have some fun. So we're going to head up the Intercoastal and hit one of the clubs. So make sure you guys check out video number 2 coming up.